Yorkton. It's a name that resonates with a certain kind of spirit. A spirit of resilience, of community, of opportunity. This isn't just a city on the Saskatchewan prairies, it's the heartbeat of the province. A place where history whispers through the wind and the future unfolds under a vast, endless sky. Yorkton isn't flashy, it's genuine. It's a place where a firm handshake still means something, where neighbors help neighbors and the rhythm of life is a little slower, a little more deliberate, and within that rhythm lies a hidden vibrancy. A tapestry woven from hard work, diverse cultures, and a deep-rooted connection to the land. Come discover Yorkton. You might just find that its pulse starts to beat in time with your own. The morning sun glinted off the canola fields, casting a golden hue over the vast expanse of yellow flowers. The sight was breathtaking, a perfect start to a new adventure. As Samira's train pulled into Yorkton, she felt a mix of excitement and curiosity. The small rural station was a stark contrast to the bustling city she had left behind. A wave of fresh prairie air washed over her as she stepped onto the platform. It was invigorating, a welcome change from the smog-filled air of the city. She took a deep breath, savoring the clean, crisp air. The platform was quaint, with a few locals milling about, giving her a friendly nod as they passed by. First impressions: clean, friendly, open. The streets of Yorkton were lined with charming shops and cafes, each one inviting her to explore further. A quick taxi ride deposited her at a charming bed and breakfast near downtown. The exterior was quaint, with flower boxes under the windows and a welcoming front porch. The aroma of strong coffee and sizzling bacon filled the air as she entered. It was a comforting scent, one that made her feel instantly at home. After a hearty breakfast, she set off to explore. The town was small, but it had a charm that was hard to resist. Every corner seemed to hold a new discovery. The Western Development Museum was first on her list. It was a treasure trove of history, showcasing the rich agricultural heritage of Saskatchewan. Exhibits brought the past to life, showcasing Saskatchewan's agricultural heritage. From old farming equipment to detailed dioramas, each display told a story of the province's past. Next, a stroll down Broadway Street led her past unique shops and cafes. Each storefront was a glimpse into the town's vibrant community, with friendly shopkeepers and inviting displays. She stopped for lunch at a bustling Ukrainian restaurant, savoring the taste of borscht and pierogies. The flavors were rich and comforting, a testament to the town's diverse culinary scene. The afternoon was spent at Good Spirit Lake, its clear water sparkling under the summer sun. The lake was a popular spot for locals and visitors alike, offering a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Samira relaxed on the beach, feeling the stress of city life melt away. The gentle lapping of the waves and the warm sun on her skin were the perfect antidote to her hectic lifestyle. As evening approached, she headed back to town, drawn by the sounds of live music spilling from a pub. The lively atmosphere was infectious, and she found herself tapping her foot to the beat as she entered. Sipping a local craft beer, she reflected on her day. It had been a day of new experiences and discoveries, each one adding to her appreciation of this small town. Yorkton wasn't just a city, it was an experience. Every moment spent here was a reminder of the simple joys of life, far removed from the chaos of the city, one she wouldn't soon forget. As the sun set over Yorkton, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, Samira knew she had found a place that would always hold a special place in her heart. Finding a place to hang your hat in Yorkton is refreshingly straightforward. Whether you're after a cozy bungalow, a spacious family home, or a modern condo, the city's got you covered. And the best part? The prices won't leave you gasping for air. Think affordable comfort. Picture yourself in a charming character home with a big backyard for the kids to run wild. Or maybe a sleek apartment downtown, steps from the action, is more your style. The options are as diverse as the people who call Yorkton home. But it's not just about bricks and mortar, it's about the sense of community that comes with living in a place like Yorkton. It's about knowing your neighbors, feeling safe, and being part of something bigger than yourself. It's about coming home. A taste of Yorkton, from pierogies to pad thai. Hungry? Good. You're in the right place. Because Yorkton's culinary scene is a delicious melting pot of flavors. Here, you can embark on a gastronomic journey that spans the globe without ever leaving town. Start your day with a stack of fluffy pancakes at a classic greasy spoon. Imagine the warm golden pancakes drizzled with rich maple syrup melting in your mouth as you sip on a hot cup of coffee. For lunch, grab a juicy burger at a local pub. Picture yourself biting into a perfectly cooked patty, topped with fresh lettuce, tomatoes, and a slice of cheese, all nestled in a soft, toasted bun. Pair it with crispy fries and a cold drink, and you've got a meal to remember. Or sample some authentic Ukrainian fare. Savor the taste of homemade pierogies stuffed with potatoes and cheese, served alongside savory kielbasa and tangy sauerkraut. It's a comforting and hearty meal that brings a taste of tradition to your table. Dinner? The world is your oyster, or perhaps your pierogi. Whether you're in the mood for fresh seafood, a plate of pierogies with a dollop of sour cream, or a variety of other international dishes, Yorkton has it all. From sizzling steaks to spicy curries, there's something to satisfy every craving. Imagine the aroma of a perfectly grilled steak, or the vibrant flavors of a well-spiced curry, each bite taking you on a culinary adventure. Don't forget to save room for dessert. The sweet offerings in Yorkton are just as diverse and delightful as the main courses. Indulge in a slice of homemade pie. Imagine the flaky crust and the sweet, fruity filling, each bite a perfect balance of textures and flavors. Or treat yourself to a scoop of ice cream from a local shop. Whether you prefer classic vanilla, rich chocolate, or something more adventurous, there's a flavor for everyone. But it's not just about the food, it's about the experience. Dining in Yorkton is about more than just eating. It's about enjoying the atmosphere, the company, and the moments that make each meal special. It's about gathering with friends and family, sharing stories, and creating memories over a delicious meal. The laughter, the conversations, and the shared experiences make each dining occasion unique. Sharing stories and creating memories over a delicious meal. These moments of connection and joy are what make dining in Yorkton truly special. It's about savoring the flavors of a community. Each dish tells a story, each meal is a celebration of culture, and each bite brings you closer to the heart of Yorkton. Learning and growing education in the Wheat City. Yorkton takes education seriously. From early learning to post-secondary, they've got it covered. Kids thrive in the nurturing environment of the public and Catholic school systems. Yorkton Regional High School, a pillar of the community, prepares students for the future with a wide range of academic and extracurricular programs. For those seeking higher learning, Parkland College offers a variety of certificates, diplomas, and degrees. The focus is on practical skills and hands-on learning, equipping graduates for success in the workforce. But education in Yorkton goes beyond the classroom. The city is a living classroom, offering opportunities to learn about history, culture, and the natural world. From the Western Development Museum to the trails of Good Spirit Provincial Park, there's always something new to discover. Echoes of the past, visions of the future, culture in Yorkton. Yorkton's cultural scene is a vibrant blend of heritage and contemporary expression. The Western Development Museum takes you on a journey through Saskatchewan's past, showcasing everything from vintage tractors to a replica boomtown street. For a taste of the arts, catch a performance at the Anne Portneuf Theatre or lose yourself in the world of film at the Yorkton Film Festival. The festival, one of the oldest and largest in North America, showcases the best of Canadian and international documentaries and short films. But culture in Yorkton isn't just about observing, it's about participating. Join a community choir, learn to paint at the art gallery, or try your hand at pottery. In Yorkton, there's a creative outlet for everyone. Prairie adventures, recreation, and relaxation in Yorkton. Nestled in the heart of the prairies, Yorkton offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and urban amenities, making it an ideal destination for both adventure seekers and those looking to unwind. Looking for adventure? Look no further than Yorkton. This charming city is a gateway to a myriad of outdoor activities that cater to all ages and interests. Whether you're an avid hiker, a nature lover, or someone who simply enjoys spending time outdoors, Yorkton has something for everyone. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the trails of Good Spirit Provincial Park. This park is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a network of trails that wind through lush forests and along serene lake shores. The park's diverse landscapes provide a picturesque backdrop for a day of hiking, with trails suitable for both beginners and experienced hikers. This natural oasis boasts a stunning lake, sandy beaches, and endless opportunities for birdwatching, paddling, and simply soaking up the beauty of the prairies. Good Spirit Lake is a perfect spot for a family day out, where you can build sandcastles on the beach, paddle in the calm waters, or sit back and watch the diverse bird species that call this area home. For a more urban adventure, head to the Gallagher Center, the city's hub for recreation and entertainment. This multi-purpose facility is a cornerstone of the community, offering a wide range of activities and events that cater to all interests and age groups. Catch a hockey game, go for a swim, or hit the gym. The Gallagher Center is equipped with an ice rink, an indoor pool, and a state-of-the-art fitness center, ensuring there's always something to do, no matter the weather.
Audio Jungle.
The center also hosts concerts, trade shows, and other events throughout the year. From live music performances to bustling trade shows, the Gallagher Center is a vibrant hub of activity, bringing the community together for a variety of cultural and recreational events. But sometimes, the best adventures are the simplest ones. In Yorkton, you don't have to go far to find a peaceful spot to relax and enjoy the outdoors. The city's numerous parks and green spaces provide the perfect setting for a leisurely afternoon. Pack a picnic and head to City Park for an afternoon of relaxation. Spread out a blanket, enjoy a meal with family and friends, and let the kids run free on the open grass. City Park is a beloved local spot where memories are made and simple pleasures are cherished. Cast a line in the Yorkton Creek or simply unwind and enjoy the fresh air. The creek is a tranquil spot where you can fish for hours or just sit by the water, listening to the gentle flow of the stream and the sounds of nature. In Yorkton, adventure is what you make it. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors, enjoying the amenities of the Gallagher Center, or simply relaxing in one of the city's beautiful parks, Yorkton offers a unique blend of recreation and relaxation that will leave you feeling refreshed and inspired.